We're on the runway at the Latakia base, which hosts the Russian air group. We have two Su-25 fighter jets taking off now. Those were actually, as they're called, close air support aircraft, Su-25s. They've got a lot of firepower, they fly low, but they're vulnerable to man-pads, shoulder-launched anti-aircraft missiles. And Russia's inventory of planes here is actually very varied, and they're suited to different missions. You have the Su-25, for example, then you have the Su-24. It flies high, it packs a lot of punch, and it's very, very fast. But then you've got the Su-34. That's the newest plane on this airfield. It's very new, packed with electronics. It flies high, and it's very, very precise. So everything for any mission. And that was the Su-24 coming in, its payload gone, obviously after a mission. So the aircraft again here are very varied, suited to different tasks. And here they come, two more. These are Su-30 jets. While capable of ground attack operations, they at the ground, they mostly focus on air superiority, that is dogfighting or air-to-air combat.